Hi, I am Shali Prasad Bechan from the Investment Directorate of the Ministry of Trade and Industry. As one of the frontline ministries within the government of Trinidad and Tobago, the Ministry of Trade and Industry plays a pivotal role in creating an environment to facilitate business and investment. Join us as we share with you some of the incentives offered by the ministry to support the development and growth of your business. Let's take a look at import duty concessions. Import duty concessions provide relief of custom duties to qualifying manufacturing and processing companies incorporated in Trinidad and Tobago. These concessions are granted for approved projects or activities. So, how can you benefit? Well, if your company imports supplies such as raw materials, machinery, equipment, and packaging material to meet manufacturing or processing needs, then you can qualify to receive exemptions on import duties for these items. Accessing import duty concessions can aid in boosting your business expansion and strengthen your company's ability to compete internationally. This incentive offers you greater affordability of foreign inputs which are not locally or regionally available, thereby allowing for a level playing field amongst companies trading globally. Some of the eligible areas for this incentive include manufacturing, agriculture, tourism, creative industries, and energy-related industries. To find out how you can access import duty concessions, call us at the Ministry, or visit our website, or check the TT BizLink online portal.